welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be restocking the fridge. I already cleaned it, so now we're going to restock the fruits and vegetables. So let's get started with this video. If you're interested in any of the bins that I'm using to restock the fridge, you can find them down below in the comment section of this video. I already washed the mandarins, so now I'm gonna place them in a bin in the fridge. Now I'm also going to place the kids' yogurts in the fridge. I already washed the vegetables, so now I'm gonna place them in this bin, so then I can also place it in the fridge. By using these bins for